Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's talk about sir today. As you know, in English alphabet, there are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. Similarly, Hindi language also consists of vowels. They are called swar in Hindi. As we know, there are also consonants in Hindi alphabets, but today I am talking about swar only. We can define swar as the alphabet that do not require any help for their pronunciation. But consonants are the alphabets which require the help of swar, help of Hindi vowels for their pronunciation. Let's start with the first one, A. Repeat after me, A. As you can see on the screen, for your help, we have given the examples for these swar along with them. First one, A. Anar. Anar. You know, anar is known as pomegranate in English. This one is A. Example is Aam. Repeat with me, Aam. This is mango in English. So, now you will be able to understand how to write A, how to pronounce A. It is Aam, mango. Come to the next one. E. Repeat with me, E. An example for E is Imli. Imli. Tamarind. You must have heard this word. Tamarind. It is used in variety of our household items in our daily use inside the kitchen. So, it is called Imli in Hindi. E. Next one is E. Repeat it now again. E. E say eat. What is it called in English? Brick. Come to the next one. O. Repeat with me. O. And the example is Ullu. That is owl. You are very much familiar with this bird. As we say in Hindi, O say Ullu. Come to the next one. O. Oon. Or we call it wool in English. Again I repeat, O. Here I am stressing on the alphabet. I am saying O. It's not O. The previous one was O. And this one is O. Come to the next one. This is Ri. What is this? How we will pronounce it? Ri. An example is Rid. And it is called loan in English. Loan. And how we will pronounce it? Ri. Come to the next one. A. A. And the word for it is AD. And English word for it is heel. Again repeat with me, A. Come to the next one. Listen carefully. This is I. I. An example is I na k. I na k. These are called spectacles in English. Now come to the next one. O. This is O. Oakley. Oakley. And in English we call motor. Oakley is motor. So how we are pronouncing it? O. Come to the next one. This is ow. And again I want to show you the difference between the two alphabets O and O. See how I am pronouncing O. O. And this is ow. We are not stressing upon the matraएं in Hindi as they are called, because I will bring them in the next tutorial about them. We are only stressing how we are pronouncing these alphabets. So, ow. Ow say औजार, or we say tool. Come to the next one. This is ang. Ang. Example is patang. Here, listen it carefully. Patang. You can hear that sound of ang is coming here when we say patang. Alright. An example is patang, which means kite in English. Okay. Come to the next one. This is aha. You can see two dots behind the word a. It becomes aha. And an example is namaha. Namaha. And it means to bow. As you are greeting somebody and you bow before them. So, you do namaha. So, this is all in this video. Hope you liked it. Do like, comment and share.